Last night I put some fairing filler inside there, and so you get to join me in seeing how it turned out. And I have wax paper taped to the door to prevent myself from gluing the door shut. Okay, I'm going to peel this now. So there is really nice. And I'm just going to knock this excess off now. That's just fairing filler. And yeah, I do have some tape here that I'm not sure if I'm going to get off. We'll see. But for the most part, I'd say it worked out pretty good. There was a big gap here because this board was warped. And now the door closes very nicely everywhere. And yeah, there's a little gap here. And I don't know, I might do something about that today. I was thinking about breaking into this a bit. I got a can of spray foam that I'm going to use to seal the edge of the air conditioner. And it won't take anywhere near the whole can. So I've been looking for places where I could use it, and maybe here. Get the foam down in there and block it off with tape or something somehow. And then once it's hardened, just sand it to the shape of the door and throw more glass over the top. Hard to get in here with the big sander. So I'll try the little one. Okay, so I think what I want to try to do is find the edge of this hinge and then cut into the fairing filler all along the edge of that hinge all the way up, and then see if I can peel everything that's on the hinge and leave everything that side of the hinge. Very nice.